Hello, my friend. Welcome to T9B English Channel. My name is Tamim. I am a student just like you, and I am here to help you speak English step by step, day by day. Today, we will practice something very powerful. Do you understand English, but you cannot speak? Do you feel shy when you try to speak? Do you translate in your head first? If yes, this is your problem, and today we will fix it. Today, you will start thinking in English. Not tomorrow, not later. Today, right now. So do not worry, do not be afraid. Just listen and repeat with me, okay? Let's start. First, relax. Take a deep breath. Do not think too much. Just listen. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Now you repeat. I wake up early in the morning. Good. Again. I wake up early in the morning. Very good. Now shadow speak with me. I wake up early in the morning. Perfect. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. Repeat. I open my eyes slowly. Again, I open my eyes slowly. Now shadow. I open my eyes slowly. Very good. I feel a little sleepy. I feel a little sleepy. Repeat. I feel a little sleepy. Again, I feel a little sleepy. Now shadow. I feel a little sleepy. Good. I sit on my bed. I sit on my bed. Repeat. I sit on my bed. Again. I sit on my bed. Shadow. I sit on my bed. Perfect. I stand up and walk. I stand up and walk. Repeat. I stand up and walk. Again. I stand up and walk. Shadow. I stand up and walk. Very good. Now listen. Do not translate. Just feel the sentence. I go to the bathroom. Repeat. I go to the bathroom. Again. I go to the bathroom. Shadow. I go to the bathroom. Good. I wash my face. I wash my face. Repeat. I wash my face. Again. I wash my face. Shadow. I wash my face. Perfect. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. Again. I brush my teeth. Shadow. I brush my teeth. Very good. Now think in English. Say in your mind, I wake up. I feel sleepy. I wash my face. Do not translate. Just think in English. This is very important. Now continue. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. Repeat. I go to the kitchen. Again. I go to the kitchen. Shadow. I go to the kitchen. Good. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. Repeat. I drink a glass of water. Again. I drink a glass of water. Shadow. I drink a glass of water. Perfect. I make my breakfast. I make my breakfast. Repeat. I make my breakfast. Again. I make my breakfast. Shadow. I make my breakfast. Good. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. Repeat. I eat my breakfast. Again. I eat my breakfast. Shadow. I eat my breakfast. Very good. I drink tea. I drink tea. Repeat. I drink tea. Again. I drink tea. Shadow. I drink tea. Perfect. Now think again. I am eating. I am drinking. I am sitting. Very good. Now continue. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. Repeat. I wear clean clothes. Again. I wear clean clothes. Shadow. I wear clean clothes. Good. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. Repeat. I look in the mirror. Again. I look in the mirror. Shadow. I look in the mirror. Perfect. I feel ready. I feel ready. Repeat. I feel ready. Again. I feel ready. Shadow. I feel ready. Perfect. Now I leave my house. I leave my house. Repeat. I leave my house. Again. I leave my house. Shadow. I leave my house. Good. I walk on the road. I walk on the road. Repeat. I walk on the road. Again. I walk on the road. Shadow. I walk on the road. Very good. I see many people. I see many people. Repeat. I see many people. Again. I see many people. Shadow. I see many people. Perfect. I go to my work. I go to my work. Repeat. I go to my work. Again. I go to my work. Shadow. I go to my work. Good. Now listen. This is important. Do not translate. Just think in English. Say, I am walking. I am going. I am working. Small sentences, big improvement. Now continue. I start my work. I start my work. Repeat. I start my work. Again. I start my work. Shadow. I start my work. Very good. I talk to people. I talk to people. Repeat. I talk to people. Again. I talk to people. Shadow. I talk to people. Good. I use simple English. I use simple English. Repeat. I use simple English. Again. I use simple English. Shadow. I use simple English. Perfect. I make mistakes. I make mistakes. Repeat. I make mistakes. Again. I make mistakes. Shadow. I make mistakes. Very good. I learn from mistakes. I learn from mistakes. Repeat. I learn from mistakes. Again. I learn from mistakes. Shadow. I learn from mistakes. Excellent. Now think in English. I am working. I am learning. I am improving. Very good. Now continue. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. Repeat. I eat my lunch. Again. I eat my lunch. Shadow. I eat my lunch. Good. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. Repeat. I feel a little tired. Again. I feel a little tired. Shadow. I feel a little tired. Good. I drink water. I drink water. Repeat. I drink water. Again. I drink water. Shadow. I drink water. Perfect. Now continue. I go back home. I go back home. Repeat. I go back home. Again. I go back home. Shadow. I go back home. Good. I feel happy. I feel happy. Repeat. I feel happy. Again. I feel happy. Shadow. I feel happy. Good. I practice English. I practice English. Repeat. I practice English. Again. I practice English. Shadow. I practice English. Perfect. Now listen and repeat. I listen to English. I listen to English. Repeat. I listen to English. Again. I listen to English. Shadow. I listen to English. Excellent. Now speak in English. I speak English. I speak English. Repeat. I speak English. Again. I speak English. Shadow. I speak English. Excellent. Now, final thinking practice. Say in your mind, I can speak English. I practice every day. I am not afraid. I will improve. Repeat with me. I can speak English. I practice every day. I am not afraid. I will improve. Very good. You are improving, but listen carefully. Watching is not enough. You must repeat. You must speak. You must practice every day. Even 5 minutes is enough, but you must be consistent. If you are serious, comment now. I think in English.